ton. You wanna have some fun? We're gonna try to make you laugh with our bad jokes and puns. We're glad you come to join us. So get ready, here we go. Raise a cup and sing along now at the Bells of Bedlam show.
Nice. Can anyone name the instrument? Give it a try. Shout out a name, a word.
Winky dinky shaky.
You're so close. Vibra slap. And you learned something at the Renaissance Fair.
She's a little congested.
Hey, Marion. Give us a joke,
What's
Marion.
the... No, I want to give us a joke. You're always
Fine.
trying to give him to Marion just because she's the
funnier.
older twin.
I don't know.
I thought I was the oldest twin. 30 seconds.
And always rubbing it in my face. Anyway, what's the difference between an Irish wedding and an Irish funeral?
I don't know, Morwen. What's the difference between an Irish wedding and an Irish funeral?
One less drunk person.
And we're off to a rip start.
Hey!
Good on.